Morning. The engineer receives the Intelligent Cockpit Customer Requirements document from the OEM. The brief: develop a high-end BEV platform cockpit controller, whose headline features are autonomous driving, full vehicle OTA, and an open ecosystem. The customer document is only 7 pages. Zero implementation detail, milestone-driven. In real life, such specs can hit 50 to 100 pages. Reading them manually is a slog. AI can digest them in minutes. Demo uses mapping space to extract the essence fast. Activate the AI function and upload the customer requirements document. Select the V3 model to extract the core content. The system quickly summarizes the key points, including an annual sales target of 80,000 units and 3 core selling points. Verification completed successfully. AI can help engineers quickly grasp the key information in lengthy documents within a short period of time. Step 2. Convert the PDF into an itemized structure. Facilitates subsequent task allocation and requirement traceability. Click No and then batch import. Choose the PDF format, and the conversion will be completed automatically in the background. Generate an itemized customer requirements document. After the conversion is completed, compare it with the original PDF. All content is completely mapped to the project background, overall objectives, and hardware specification, software architecture, and functional requirements. The 5 items of the software architecture have all been retained. Toggle between word view modes to expand and view. The original PDF can still be saved as an attachment. However, the itemized structure is more conducive to task allocation and requirement tracing. The traceability chain can be viewed from the perspective of the V model. The third step is for the project manager to, based on the customer requirements document, generate an executable project implementation plan. The system has generated the implementation plan, covering aspects such as project background and requirement analysis. However, the format is slightly different from the company template. Select the company template and regenerate it again. View generated content. The first part of the plan is basically the same as the company template. The second part differs from the company template. However, when adding other content to the large model, the hallucination content needs to be deleted. Click No to create a plan. Delete the erroneous parts and continue to make the revisions. Import the Gantt chart again to track the tasks. Facilitates task tracking and team collaboration. Advance the research and development process. Step 4. The engineer accesses the knowledge base. Conduct AI review of the completed system architecture design document. Activate the AI review function. Switch to a more intelligent model. The system provides highlights and improvement suggestions based on online documents. Modify the document according to the suggestions. For instance, in Chapter 8, the use of vague concepts is employed. You can select the content to allow the AI to modify and expand it. If you are satisfied, then replace the original text. If not, you can continue to make revisions. Next, we will attempt to have the AI draw an architecture diagram based on the content. Activate the AI drawing function. The system automatically generates architecture diagrams. The architecture diagram has now been generated. If you are satisfied, you can directly insert it into the document. Based on this, you can further adjust the structure of the diagram. Step 5. Engineers base their work on the customer requirements document. Generate the corresponding system requirements document by the system itself. The AI has produced the initial draft. can be further adjusted, such as moving sections, deleting redundant paragraphs, and reviewing specific entries. Then, the AI review function was invoked. Evaluate the first generated system requirements document. It can be further optimized based on the opinions. For instance, point 8 is not described clearly. The following is a supplementary description. The next demonstration scenario is translation function demonstration. Because the team is based in the UK, all the documents are written in English. And the partners from overseas, whose native language is Chinese or German. Enable translation function. Click Translate to convert the entire text into Chinese. After zooming in, it can be confirmed that the translation is accurate. If you need a bilingual version, you can add the Chinese description to the original text. Create an English-Chinese comparison document. Similarly, real-time translation can also be carried out for specific paragraphs. Overcoming language barriers in cross-border team collaboration. This is a day when automotive engineers work efficiently by leveraging the mapping space AI feature. Enter the URL at the bottom left corner to quickly register and use.